Windows Live Movie Maker is a program developed by Microsoft for basic video editing. Movie Maker can be used by anyone, from students to business people to your grandpa, to make movies. Some of these movies might be a demo of a product, a tutorial, or maybe even clips from the office Christmas party. Today, we're going to create a simple tutorial on how to use Windows Live Movie Maker to make a short clip of our cats. Windows Live Movie Maker supports WMV, ASF, AVI, movie files, audio files, Windows media files, still images, and MP3 format audio. There are 3 simple steps to creating a movie: import, edit, and publish. Let's get started. First, let's launch the program. If Movie Maker is already installed on your computer, click on the Start button on the bottom left corner of your screen and click on the All Programs tab. From there, you should see a list of programs. Find Windows Live Movie Maker and click on it to launch. If it's uninstalled on your computer, all you have to do is find it on the official Microsoft page. In the big panel on the right, it says click here to browse for videos and photos. Click on this box to locate the footage you want to edit. It is good practice to keep your footage and pictures organized and in the same folder so you do not lose the footage and wreck your video. Navigate to the directory that your footage is located in. Click on the footage and it will appear in the box that you clicked on in Movie Maker. To begin editing the footage, click on it, and at the top of the window there will be 6 tabs: Home, Animations, Visual Effects, Project, View, and Edit. Timeline. The timeline is where you manage your project. You drag your footage onto the timeline and set the length of footage. This is where you put music and sound effects, as well as videos and photos to edit. Home. From the Home tab, you can add other clips to the video, as well as music and pictures. You can also select pre-made themes that add a title frame to your video, as well as an ending frame with credits. There are also options to share your video on Skydive, Facebook, and YouTube. You can also add captions and credits manually. Animations. In the Animations tab, you can add transitions that will appear between clips. You can choose to apply any of these effects to one specific clip or to all the clips in the video. Be careful not to overdo it though. Fades and cuts work best. The rest are kind of tacky and unprofessional. Visual Effects. In the Visual Effects tab, you can add effects to your video like blur, black and white, negative colors, and others. You can manually adjust the brightness of the clips and choose whether to apply to all the clips or not. You can add text to the transitions as well. Project. From the Project tab, you can change the aspect ratio of the video from widescreen to standard. You can add a sound file like narration, sound effects, or music to the video and modify it to fit the footage to the music and make them the same length. View. From the View tab, you can zoom into the timeline and add your effects with more precision. You can also choose the thumbnail size for when your video is finished and preview the video full screen. Edit. In the Edit tab, you will be able to adjust the volume of audio and how it enters and leaves the video. It can fade at the beginning and fade out at the end. You can also adjust the speed of your footage and split it to make 2 clips instead of 1. You can also edit out parts of the clip by setting the start and end points of the clip. This software is a very basic example of what you can do with editing videos on a computer, but it's by far the easiest and most commonly available one to the everyday user. It is a very good program that I would recommend to any amateur editor as a good introduction to video editing.